Hello friends, this is Meeta Bhosle. Today I am going to do my presentation on live online virtual engagement through which we have been provided a variety of platforms which can be used in online teaching and learning. So these are the various platforms provided. The first platform is Zoom. It offers free live virtual online meetings for 40 minutes for up to 100 participants. And the most widely used app is Zoom nowadays because every college or universities or corporate office are making use of Zooms for conducting online virtual meetings. So this is the most commonly, I can say, most commonly and widely used app. The second platform is the Go Brunch, and it is the first free platform which enables the users to conduct the webinars up to 500 people without the time limit. Zoom, if we go for a free plan, then we had to go for 40 minutes, but for Go Brunch, there is no time limit. Now, WizIQ is another platform which is a cloud-based education platform to access teaching and training modules. Another option provided is Congria, through which today's presentation is done. It is a new generation scalable open source online virtual classroom environment featured with audio video interaction, chat, poll, quiz, collaborative editor, and much more. So these are the facilities provided by Congria. The other option is eStalks. It is again a cloud-based video conferencing system that offers SMDS and large enterprises a single platform to communicate and collaborate online. It offers free live virtual online meetings for a limited time of 40 for 100 attendees. So these are the various platforms which can be used in online teaching and learning. The other most commonly used is Google Meet. As I said, it is most commonly used. It connects, collaborates from anywhere. You can conduct online meet through Google, which are high, which provides the facility of high quality video meetings and which can enables the host to conduct the Google Meet up to 200 250 participants. Jitsi is another platform provided, which is an open source video conferencing and it is fully encrypted. So it's a most secured platform to conduct the online video conferencing. Another most widely used nowadays platform is Microsoft Teams. It is free for an unlimited audience and can be used it with any Microsoft account. So if you have your account with Microsoft, it's very easy to get the Microsoft team. So another platform provided is Big Blue Button, which is again an open source web conferencing system for online learning. And lastly, I would say StreamYard. StreamYard is a live streaming studio in browser. We can stream using StreamYard on LinkedIn, YouTube, and Facebooking. So you can either go for a broadcasting or live streaming with StreamYard on LinkedIn by using YouTube or Facebook or LinkedIn. So these are the various and or the different platforms which can be used for online learning and teaching. So thank you so much.
Nicely compiled, Nikita.
Is it?